Alright everyone, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be looking at a couple different cars that we might be picking up. Looks like this was last on the road in 1995. Let's take a look on the inside here, see what we can see. Oh, it's got a manual gearbox. Honestly, I think all cars should. Sadly, they don't all have that. Looks like the back glass is in pretty good shape. A little bit of paint here and there. This is a Porsche 924. Doesn't look too bad. Let's see if we can open the door and see what's on the inside. Oh, there we go. Okay, honestly not that bad. Just need some cleaning. Let's see if I can see the mileage. I don't believe I can. Okay, that's fine. I like that little gauge cluster. Center console area is pretty nice. Nice little bucket seats. A little faded on the carpet, nothing a little bit of carpet paint can't fix. Let's see if I can open the hood here. Let's see. There we go. Let's take a look under the hood and see what we can find. And I do like the fact that it has manual windows. A lot more reliable than electronic ones. Nice little Porsche logo on the front here. See if I can get the hood opened. Alright, there we go. We got the hood open. As you can see, it's collecting a little bit of water under here, but nothing too major. A little 4-cylinder. I believe this is probably standard for this vehicle. I don't think they ever swapped it out. Let's see what else we got over here. I believe I'm also going to be looking at a Mercedes. I'm not sure exactly what model, but oh wow, okay. It's going to be a 450 SL. And honestly, that's a pretty slick looking car. It's got the BBS wheels on it. Let's make our way around to the front here. Needs a little bit of cleaning as well. But I can't lie, this is a pretty dang nice car. I like the way these look. Very timeless design, I think. Looks like the last time it was on the road was in 2006. Let's see if we can get this door open. I'm not sure if it's locked. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's not too bad in here either. Nice door panels. Let's see if we can find out what year this is. Looks to be a 1979 model. Interior's not too bad. Needs a little bit of cleaning. Carpet's a little dirty, but nothing some cleaning can't fix. See if we can pop the hood on this one. Take a look underneath. Making my way around to the front, trying not to trip over anything here, as there's a lot of different sticks and stuff in my way, but it's still worth it, even if I trip and fall. Okay, let's see if I can get this hood. I might have to put the camera down. Alright, here we are. As you can see, it looks like somebody's been living here for a while. Trying to get as much this nesting out as I can so I can identify exactly what model engine this is. Just from looking at it so far, I have a theory that it's a V8. As you can see, this nest has been here for quite a while now. Trying my best here to get as much off as I can, but at this point, without the proper tools, I think I'm pretty much stuck with just using my hand. Little fuel filter right there. Not too bad underneath here. Let's see if I can look at the spark plugs and see. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, this is definitely a V8. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed that. This was today's video. I couldn't really get all the way down to the engine like I wanted to, and the labels are gone on the hood, so I really couldn't identify the engine on it, but I guess I'll do one more walk around of the car. I really do like those rims. A little bit of cleaning up, and they should look pretty nice. I also like the taillights on these. But yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more content. And I will see y'all in the next one.